Welcome to Alanis Business Academy. I'm Matt Alanis, and this is Generating Positive Cash Flow Part 1. In our last video, titled The Importance of Cash Flow, we described the different types of cash and explained why generating positive cash flow is important. If you missed that video, you can access it by selecting the link above or going to our channel page and looking under the playlist titled Personal Finance. In this video, we're going to review several tactics for generating positive cash flow by focusing on our cash inflows. Now, if you remember from last time, the two possible ways of generating positive cash flow are either by increasing our cash inflows or by decreasing our cash outflows. Now, many individuals generate a majority of their cash inflow from traditional jobs. Although this isn't necessarily a bad thing, we have many other options for generating cash inflows. One option is to get a second job. Now, when I say get a second job, many people think about getting a traditional job or picking up extra hours at their current job. Although this is a possibility, this really limits your ability to think creatively. Everyone has a different variety of knowledge, skills, abilities, as well as interests. So the key here is to discover what yours are and translate that into your own business. For example, if you're well organized, have regular access to a computer, and are familiar with different types of productivity software, you may be able to become a virtual assistant. This type of job allows you the flexibility and the independence of working from home several hours a day, but also the opportunity to generate positive cash for you. Or if you have a passion for cooking and trying new recipes, you can create a cooking blog. Once you have enough regular traffic, you can sell ad space, or you could even monetize your blog immediately with services like Google AdSense. You can even start a cooking channel on YouTube where you can showcase your latest creations and different cooking tips. Now, these are simply just a few examples to get those creative juices flowing and are by no means a comprehensive list. The important thing is to establish what you are truly passionate about, because if you're not, then you're really unlikely to spend the time to devote to your particular idea. The second option is to purchase assets that provide you with cash inflows. There are a variety of different assets that you can purchase to provide some type of cash flow. The two most common, first one being acquiring real estate. But not just acquiring real estate for the purpose of producing rental income. The second option is to acquire dividend-paying securities. Now, assuming that you've considered property taxes, interest expenses, insurance, as well as routine maintenance, renting out a property is a great way to generate cash inflow. You can either manage the property yourself, or for a fee, you can enlist the services of a property management company. Dividend-paying securities are another great way to generate cash inflows. A dividend is a quarterly payment that's made to investors as a way of rewarding them for their investments. Now, dividends are paid on what we call a per-share basis. What that means is that you receive income based upon the number of shares that you own. For example, let's say you own 100 shares of a particular security, and that security generates 40 cents per share, or pays 40 cents per share in dividends. On a quarterly basis, you would essentially receive a check for $40, just for holding the actual stock itself. In addition to dividends, these securities can also appreciate in value, which provides you with another source of income, assuming that you sell the actual security for a profit. Always remember, though, that you do incur the risk of these same securities decreasing in value. So always weigh your options and seek the help of a competent professional to see if investing in the stock market is the right thing for you. In our next video, Generating Positive Cash Flow, Part 2, we'll discuss some methods of generating positive cash flow by reducing our cash outflows. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and leave a comment in the box below, and I'll do my best to get back to those in a timely fashion. Be sure to subscribe to Alanis Business Academy for access to our latest videos, and also like and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.